AVGO stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Broadcom and it's sitting at $195.13. 2% gains is sick, but what's even more sick is that finally starting to see a little signs of life. Although it's still in this big correction, and I know you see a line pointing towards the upside, this does not mean that once next week comes around, I'm just buying like a madman. No, I'm more so taking the sniper approach. Yeah, I've covered AVGO, I think, quite frequently in the Discord as well. Yeah, quite frequently. The only thing that I'm like really looking to do is get involved in a proper buying opportunity once I see a second shit here. And that's kind of be like a bullish character for me, because then intraday plays are also an option. So yeah, I mean, I would just like to see a full candle close above it, because then there's like a far more doors that are open, if you know what I mean. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, I mean, it's a free newsletter, so check it out, it's free.